Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting vehicles in BMW's lineup for 2026, the all-new BMW X3 M50 xDrive. Now, before you ask, yes, this isn't your traditional gasoline-powered X3M. In fact, it marks the beginning of a new chapter for performance SUVs. So buckle up because we're about to break down everything that makes this machine so special. Let's start under the hood, where the heart of this beast lies. The 2026 BMW X3 M50 xDrive is powered by a 3.0-liter M TwinPower Turbo inline-six engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This powertrain delivers an impressive 393 horsepower and a whopping 428 pound-feet of torque. That's enough grunt to rocket this SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. And trust me, it feels every bit as fast as it sounds. But what really sets this apart is how refined and responsive it feels. Whether you're tearing up twisty mountain roads or simply commuting through the city, the combination of BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, adaptive M suspension, and the precision-tuned M Sport Differential ensures razor-sharp handling and maximum grip no matter the conditions. Now, let's talk design, because if there's one thing BMW knows how to do, it's make their cars look absolutely jaw-dropping. The X3 M50 xDrive gets some serious attitude thanks to its bold M styling cues. Up front, you've got the iconic BMW kidney grille, now illuminated with iconic glow LED lighting, a signature touch that screams premium performance. Out back, those quad exhaust tips aren't just for show. They deliver a deep, growling soundtrack that perfectly complements the driving experience. Inside, things get even better. You're greeted by an M leather steering wheel, supportive sport seats, and plenty of high-quality materials that remind you this is no ordinary SUV. It's a true driver's car. One area where BMW has truly outdone itself is technology. The X3 M50 xDrive comes equipped with the latest BMW Curved Display, which integrates a massive digital instrument cluster and infotainment touchscreen into one seamless unit. Running on the brand new iDrive 9 software, this setup offers intuitive controls, crisp graphics, and access to cutting-edge features like augmented navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And let's not forget the HUD, or heads-up display, which projects key information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while staying connected to all the tech at your fingertips. So, how much does all this performance and luxury cost? Well, the starting MSRP for the 2026 BMW X3 M50 xDrive is around $67,075. While that's certainly not cheap, it's actually quite competitive when you consider the level of performance and tech packed into this SUV. Now here's the kicker. While the standard X3M may be phased out, rumors suggest BMW might still have something big up their sleeve. There's speculation about a future X3M competition model arriving later, potentially boasting over 500 horsepower and starting above $77,000. If that happens, it could redefine what we expect from compact performance SUVs altogether. The 2026 BMW X3 M50 xDrive represents a bold step forward for BMW's performance lineup. With its potent hybrid powertrain, sharp handling, striking design, and cutting-edge tech, it proves that electrification doesn't mean sacrificing excitement behind the wheel. And who knows? With whispers of an even more powerful X3M competition lurking in the shadows, the best might still be yet to come. What do you think? Is the X3 M50 xDrive worth the hype, or are you holding out for a full-blown M competition model? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, keep pushing those limits, and I'll see you on the road.